Alright, so this is 2007 Toyota Corolla. So we're just gonna replace this cabin filter. So the way you remove it is, of course, remove all the things inside this. Then you're just gonna pull this out right here, right there. Just pull it out like that. And then also the other side. And then there you go. There you go. You can remove it. Now that's the cabin filter. So there's a clip in here, also over here, and that's your cabin filter. So there's an up. Holy crap! Wow, it's too dirty. Wow, look at that! Holy smoke! Oh my god! I think they haven't seen this for decade. Look at that! Holy smoking! Wow! Now let me just. Okay. Now let's replace it. The new one. I think this is aftermarket. It's from, no, the brand is from, okay, from Fresh Breeze filter. Alright, so let's see. It says up. Where's that up sign? Airflow is going down. Yeah, I think the airflow is going down. Hold on, let me double check this. Airflow is going down because the air is coming from on the top. So just put like that. There you go. Then let's put on. There you go. Perfect. And then let's just put this over here. There you go. There you go. Nice. Done. I'm gonna show this to the customer. Look at that. So that's what you inhale from your heater or AC coming from here. So I guess it's recommended to replace your cabin filter once a year. Right, that's it. This is just a quick video of how to replace cabin filter for 2007 Toyota Corolla. Is this 2007 really? I think so. Let's use this. Yeah, I think this is 2007. Alright, that's it.